Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan and I'm happy to have you. This is going to be a sort of split up into two parts video. I have this very large box of stuff that is from YesStyle. I've had it for a little while. So this is going to just be the unboxing portion. I'm going to show you everything that I got. I did get a full face. Then I also got a couple of snacky things. The next video is going to be me doing the full face of makeup and using all of the products that are in here. So if you are interested in seeing that, make sure that you subscribe. That video will be up shortly after this one. I'm just going to go ahead and get into this. The snacks are on top, so we're going to go over those first. The first thing that's in here, this is by Nissan, which makes my favorite brand of ramen noodles, but this is hot chili cheese flavor potato chips. So yummy. And then this one is curry flavored potato chips. So I really like curry. We'll see whether or not I like it on a potato chip. I'm not going to try those now. I'll try those in the next video also. And then I'm just going to get into the products that are in here. The first thing is just some Shiseido just razors to be able to dermaplane so that I can get rid of peach fuzz and dead skin. And then this is Pony Effect Cover Stay Cushion Foundation. This was the sponsored product, so I did not purchase this. And also, oh, it comes with a refill, it looks like. I'm just gonna open it up a little bit. The packaging is super pretty. But I remember when I first, has a little puff in it, when I first ordered this, yeah. So it's shade 03, and when I got it, I remember thinking it might be too dark for me, but it was the only shade that they had available, and I wanted to try the formula. So, sort of good that I am now darker. And I've never tried anything from Pony Effect. I've always wanted to. I've always been really curious about them. So I'm really excited to try this. They have very, very pretty packaging. This is, I won't be doing this in the video, but I will be doing this tonight. Actually, I'll probably go do that right after I record. This is the Changing Magic Foot peeling shoes. These, I will try and remember to put a link down in the description of like what these do. It'll be somebody else's video. I don't know that I'll ever really make a video with my feet in it. Like, I think I actually have kind of cute feet as feet go, but I don't know that I want to share them with the internet. At least not without like shoes or roller skates on them. Totally forgot these were in there. Okay, I've had this for a while. But these are just some like metal hair clips so that I can put my hair up while I am filming or doing my makeup. It's 5 different shades. I think I paid like $2 for these. Holika. This is lash correcting mascara, and I'm really sad. So the one thing that I do not love about YesStyle is that they put their stickers. So I mean, it's for like good use. I understand it because I worked retail forever. They put their stickers often over the label of the product, but I got it off really easy. This is such cute packaging. It goes really well with the shirt that I am wearing right now. And then on the side it says, "Love who you are." That is, there we go. This one is Peri Para. This is called Ink V Shading in 01, and this is what I got for my contour. This is Mersey, and this is a gel eyeliner. This is in G5 Rosy Burgundy. Oh, wait. Is this? Yeah, it's an eyeliner. It has a sharpener down at the end. It's rosy, yes. Burgundy, no. It's like a nude shade. So, not a shade that I think I would have normally chosen as an eyeliner. I almost think I might end up using that as a nude lip liner, because if you've been around at all, you know that I don't always feel like using makeup the way that they say I should use it. This is it's SAEM, Sam, Perfect Pore Pink Packed. Yeah, so this is going to be my setting powder. Again, Perfect Pore Pink Packed. Perfect Pore Pink Packed. That's a tongue twister for sure. All right, next product, also so cute. This is a Babyface Petite Highlighter. I got shade 02 Gold Satin. It's very cute. The brand here is A''PIEU. Apoo? I don't know. But it's just a gel tint for your lips. You could it's Marine Mandarin, and it doesn't say that it is specifically for your lips. I personally will only be using it on my lips, but a lot of this stuff with K-Beauty is also something that you can use to put on your cheeks. Like, it's kind of a multi-use product. It doesn't say one way or the other. This is I'm Meme Multi-Cube, and this is number 5. This does have a lot of powder on the outside. Hopefully that's not a sign of bad things when I open this. Oh, I think this is broken. Looks like I just lost the one shade, but I do want to still kind of show this packaging if at all possible. It sucks because it looks like the one that I lost was probably a really pretty duochrome. And then like it lifts up and underneath is the blush. I might try to see if I can press this again, but right now I just want to try and salvage the rest of it. Okay, moving on. I will deal with that later. That's very sad. Next we have Peri Para. This is, I'm pretty sure, the concealer. Yeah, Peri Para concealer. That is the last thing. So the biggest downside here is that this is the only eyeshadow that I got. Let me see if, now that I got that out, I can at least show you. And obviously, like, I can do a look with those 3. It's just really sad that that beautiful shade broke. And then underneath is the blush. So it's a really cute concept. I think that it probably would have been fine had it not had to, you know, be shipped across an ocean. That is my YesStyle haul. If you're not familiar with YesStyle, again, they have a lot of K products and J products, so Korean and Japanese. They also do carry some American products. There's not really much reason for me to order products that I can get in the US. And a lot of the products that you find in like Ulta or sometimes at Walgreens that are K-Beauty products or even Target, if you find them on YesStyle, chances are they're going to be less expensive. This did take a very long time to get to me, probably 5 or 6 weeks, but I also ordered it like when lockdown was still hard lockdown and things weren't shipping. So I expected that amount of time. It doesn't usually take that long, and they're really good at giving you updates about when things are going to ship. So like I said, next video is going to be me doing this face with these products. So if you want to see how these work, if you're curious about any of them, then make sure that you subscribe. If you like unboxings, give me a like. If you have any ideas for videos, be sure to post down below. Hope that you are having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I'm happy to be back. Bye!